Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix no edit option on Facebook post problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update Facebook. This error may be in the version of Facebook you are using now and it may have been resolved with the new update. To update Facebook, we open the Play Store and write Facebook in the search section. Click on Facebook. If there is an update text here, Facebook is not up to date. Click on Update, and wait for the update to finish. If it says Open instead of Update, it means Facebook has been updated. I'm on Facebook. I come to the post I shared and click on the 3 dots on the right. As you can see, I have the edit part. Our second solution is to clear cache and all data of Facebook. This way Facebook will be reset. Don't worry, the posts in your account won't be damaged. You'll just have to log back into your account. We go to Settings. We find Apps. Click on Manage Apps. We find Facebook among our apps. We need to find Clear Data. If you do not have it on this screen, it is in the Storage section. We click on Clear Data, on Clear All Data and then on OK. Facebook data deleted. Now you can click on Facebook and log in to your account and check the error. Our third solution is to use Facebook old version. The error we got may be due to the latest Facebook version. So using the version of Facebook a week or a few weeks ago can solve our problem. Before installing the old version, we uninstall the installed Facebook. There are many resource sites where you can download the old version of Facebook. I will put the link of the site that I trust in the description section. You can reach it from there. When we scroll down after entering the site, we see the Facebook versions by date. Here we click on one that is not very old. Click on Download and wait for the download to finish. After the download is finished, we open the file to installed. If you are having trouble installing the APK, I put the video about it in the card part. You can reach the video from the cards above right. Here we click Install, and wait for the installation process to finish. After the upload is complete, you can log into our account and edit the post you want to edit. After a few weeks, you can enter the Play Store and update Facebook to the latest version, as in the first solution. By then this problem will be solved by developers. Our fourth solution is an alternative solution. Editing the post via Facebook site on computer or phone browser. This solution will work if the problem is caused by the application, not Facebook. In the same way, if you do not want to deal with the browser, you can also edit it with Facebook Lite, which is available in the Play Store and App Store. It has 2 MB file size. You can enter and finish the editing process and continue to use Facebook through normal Facebook. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.